this video, I will show you how to change phone number on Xnest. Go to xnest.com. Then once you're here, go to the settings on the left side and then click on security. And then you will see two-step verification. Click on change here. And then scroll down and click on new phone number and then click on next. And then click on get started now and then type your code here that will send to email. So go to your Gmail. Then click on xnest.com and then here you will see the verification code and type it here. And then after that, click on confirm phone and then type your number here. Click on continue. Then type the code here that will send to your phone number. Then click on complete now. And then complete your profile information. Then after that, click on continue. And that's it. If it helped you, please like and subscribe.